Now, let me tell you how you can replace your cravings. Well, at some point in time, we all have fought food cravings, haven't we? It could be chocolate for some, chips for some other person, or probably say some carbonated beverages for somebody else. Basically, you could be craving for sugary or salty or foods that are high in unhealthy fats. Have you ever thought these cravings are not just driven by your taste buds but have some underlying reasons? So what is food craving? It's basically the uncontrollable desire to eat a particular food irrespective of hunger levels. Hi guys, welcome to this new video on how to replace your cravings by Healthify Me. My name is Aruna Prasad and I'm a nutritionist. I've done my master's in nutrition and biochemistry and I've been guiding people on food and nutrition for the last 11 years. Food cravings can be selective, where you like a particular brand of a bar of chocolate or say a certain flavor of wafers or your favorite dish from a particular restaurant. It could also be non-selective. This is driven mostly by hunger and occasionally by thirst. So now, the thing with persistent food cravings is that it can throw you off your health and fitness schedule. So how do you manage this in that case? Let's first understand the causes for cravings to address the root cause of the problem. The first one is the psychological aspect. Sometimes food cravings are governed by psychological aspects. For instance, sight or smell or discussion about a particular food can trigger cravings out of nowhere in a few people. The second cause could be hormones. An imbalance in hormones such as leptin or ghrelin, which regulate satiety and hunger respectively, or even imbalances of serotonin can trigger food cravings in a few people. Now, the third cause could be women who experience premenstrual syndrome or even during pregnancy can experience strong urge for certain foods due to changes in female hormones. The next cause could be nutritional deficiencies, say deficiency of magnesium or chromium, or sometimes even complex carbohydrates or essential fats can trigger food cravings, indicating that the body needs those particular nutrients. Now, food cravings can also be driven by emotions. The majority of people give in to emotions and they start eating for comfort. These not just lead to wrong food choices but also makes them go overboard with the portions. So if you're able to identify the cause for your food craving, it's almost like winning half the battle. Don't you agree? So before we proceed further, make sure that you have subscribed to or followed Healthify Me. Now let us discuss ways to reduce food cravings. The first step would be timely meals. Feeling hungry at a particular time of the day, or say feeling sleepy at the end of the day, or even waking up in the morning is all governed by the circadian rhythm. Simply put, the internal body clock. So timely meals help us reset this body clock, in turn preventing food craving. If you're eating meals that are balanced and at specific time intervals, your body will reset the clock to work accordingly. This is the simplest way to manage cravings. Remember, longer the gap or lack of discipline in maintaining meal timings will not just make you choose wrong foods but also makes you overeat that particular wrong food. Here comes the second tip, which is hydration. Remember the non-selective hunger I spoke of at the beginning of the video, which could also be driven by thirst and not necessarily by hunger? So a lot of us confuse thirst with hunger and we end up eating or snacking when all our body is looking for is just some hydrating beverage. So it could be plain water or a glass of buttermilk or some fresh tender coconut water or even a plain homemade lemonade or nimbu pani. My third tip is sufficient sleep. Levels of hormones like ghrelin and leptin, along with other hormones like insulin, cortisol, all these that we discussed at the beginning of this video are mostly regulated in your sleep. So insufficient sleep can alter hormonal balance, triggering food cravings. So intense food cravings lead to overeating and obviously weight gain. Adequate sleep can be a simple way to manage these variations in hormones and in turn sorting out your food cravings. Want an easy way to track your sleep? Download the Healthify Me app from the link in the description box below and get some information on your daily sleeping habits. You'll also be able to track over 55,000 foods, receive real-time insights and automated analytics on your health. So now we come back to the fourth tip, which is insufficient protein. Diets low on protein can actually trigger food cravings. So protein-rich meals suppress appetite, add to satiety, and help in managing ghrelin levels. So bring back that paneer or sprouts or legumes or chicken or even egg and have them in all your 3 major meals. This way you can manage your food cravings. Here comes my 5th tip, which is managing your stress levels. Other than messing with your mental health, high stress levels can make you eat wrong foods, even overeat, and also lead to emotional and comfort eating, all of which can actually lead to weight gain and start affecting your overall health. So now that you have understood the science behind your food cravings, let us look at some healthier alternatives which you can use as a replacement. So the first one, everyone's favorite, which is salty potato chips. So replace this with some roasted nuts. It could even be cashew nuts, peanuts, almonds, whatever nut of your choice. You could even season them with your favorite spices if you're looking for some flavor along with the crunch. The second one is chocolates, which is again mostly everyone's favorite, especially after a meal. So you could either chew a teaspoon of fennel seeds, saunf that is. This will help change the aftertaste of a meal if that's the reason why you're actually craving for chocolate. If this doesn't suffice, try a piece or 2 of your favorite dried fruit. It could be dates or some dried berries or even as simple as raisins. Now the third is to replace your tub of ice cream with a bowl of frozen plain yogurt. You could throw in some fresh fruits or dried fruits and nuts of your choice to add to the flavor. This not just helps you with the food digestion but also does not let you feel guilty after you finish eating them. Now, do you crave for pizza often? Then if that's the case, try some homemade rotis with all the veggies and toppings that go on your pizza and probably bake it. So that could be crunchy and yummy too. The 5th way to manage your craving is to keep sipping on warm beverages. This helps manage cravings. How? Like say you could sip on a glass of turmeric milk after dinner, which can suppress your dessert craving and also help you with a good night's sleep. So finally, to sum it up, understand the reason behind your craving. Look for a healthier alternative that you can actually sustain. If you're someone who likes to indulge in your favorite food rarely, which could be unhealthy and not sure how to do it, just cutting down on the quantities would do the trick. So do not go out to eat when you're completely hungry. That's really important, guys. So instead what you could do is have a small quick bite before leaving home. This will not let you take irrational decisions when making a food choice. So for a few, distraction helps. Instead of giving in to your craving immediately, try and distract yourself. This could help suppress the craving. We hope these tips help. We would be happy to hear from you about the tricks that you would otherwise use to manage your cravings. Do let us know about the same in the comment section below. You can chat with our coaches on WhatsApp for anything related to health and fitness. Click on the link in the description box below and start your consultation now. Do like this video if you have learned something new today. You can share this video with your family, friends, and your loved ones. And you can also add this video to your favorite playlist so that you can come back and watch this video anytime. If you have not subscribed to or followed our Healthify Me channel yet, go ahead and click on the subscribe or follow button. If you're on YouTube, hit the bell icon to stay tuned to more videos from Healthify Me. Thank you so much for watching.